welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've sort of got an unboxing, but I'm also going to give you an update on a few things that I've recently got from AliExpress. So I did pick up some more big trays. Now the company that I got these from isn't currently showing us selling these. They're showing us unavailable at the time of filming, but I will pop a link just in case, you know, they're just on holiday or are producing more, because I paid £3.57. I did pay shipping. I got one other item for the house. I did pay shipping of £1.62, but £3.57 for 5 of these. So even with the shipping on the top, you're talking just over £1 each, which I thought was pretty good for a big tray. I have seen them as dearer, but I wanted another one for in my craft room, and a spare one in case my daughter wanted to use one, etc. It just worked out better to order 5 than to just order 2. So yeah, I've had those come in. I've also had come in these stickers. Sorry, I'm just scrolling through my order for these. So this is a roll of 700. It cost me 86p for the stickers and £1.03 for shipping. But basically for 700 stickers it cost me £1.89. Now are they the same? Yeah, so they're the same width as these ones that have been coming with kits and stuff. So the measurements, 20mm by 10mm, so 2cm by 1cm. But I did want them on a roll. There was quite a few sellers that sold them on a sheet, but I do like the idea of having them on a roll so they can just sit up here next to me, and if I just need 1 or 2 I can pull them off, but if I am working on something I can just write the list all the way down. So that's why I picked these up. So I will pop the links for them all below. They may not be available, but it's there in case they are, or at least to give you something to search for. You can always take the image and do a reverse image search on AliExpress. But yeah, they do different sizes in this one, but I got the 20mm by 10mm, and say there's 700 stickers on here, so I thought it was worth giving those a go. There's loads of different stickers though, so for price wise there's enough fluctuation for you to just hunt around for a seller that suits you. Now this last one, now this could be one of 2 different orders, I think. Yeah, so I did order from different sellers, so let's have a look which one. Okay, so what I've ordered is 2.5 inch, what's classed as a HDD bag, so a hard drive bag. Okay, now this one cost me £2.99, so it was £2 and a penny plus 99p shipping. But these are very similar, if not the same sizing and design inside, to what some sellers sell as a diamond painting toolkit. I'm not sure if you've seen them. So they're in a sort of similar design to these 60 bottle cases, but they're these small ones, and they say that they're suitable for you to keep your tools in. But they're normally, I think they were a minimum of £3.60, I think I found the price at the time I was searching, and they only tended to have the plain designs, very similar to the 60 bottle cases and stuff. So I went hunting, and this was, of the 2 that I've ordered, though only this one's turned up so far, this was the dearer one of the 2. However, It has a pattern, so it's a little bit different. Now it has got a little bit squished, but I'm not surprised. It's taken a while to get here from China, so I'm sure it doesn't feel as though it's stuck in that position. You get a little hook so that you can turn it into, you know, a carry bag. But I've seen these for people to store in a toolkit. So let me just get hold of one that I've had from a recent kit. So the idea is that you can put your wax and your tweezers and your pens, or however you want to store it, in this bottom section. But then you also have a top section to put some baggies. Maybe you'd want to put your pen and tweezers in there so that they don't fall. And you can use that as a mini to-go toolkit. But I didn't want to pay the prices that they were charging for them as a toolkit, so I went nosying. And as I say, this one was less and gave me a different design. I don't know if it would hold a big tray. No, so it won't hold the big white tray, but I think it would hold the flat blue tray, though I don't have it in the house to confirm. But you could use it to hold some stickers, hold a funnel, if that's what you like to use. Whatever sort of bits and pieces that you maybe want to hand, maybe a pair of scissors. These are just IKEA scissors, and I think they would fit in there. Yeah, I'd have to watch how I stacked things in, but they'd fit, and it would still close with all those bits in. So maybe, you know, say, depends on how you want to store stuff. You might want to put a craft knife in there, which the smaller one would definitely fit. The big one has to go in at an angle, so maybe some tools that you use occasionally but not all the time. Maybe the sheets of stickers would be better for this instance. You know, you could just tuck a sheet of stickers in there or underneath at the bottom, and just have, you know, a little toolkit to go, or things that you don't use very often. You know, spare pens just in case something happens. And just have that sat by wherever you work, or create a to-go kit for whenever you're maybe out the house or decide to grab a diamond painting on your travels or your holidays. But yeah, I thought it was worth having a look at what other options are out there, and basically they're the same thing. What is classed as a hard drive case looks to me to be exactly the same as what they sell as a tool pouch. So I've ordered this one. I have ordered another cheaper one that is very similar to the ones that are £3.60, but that's not turned up yet, but I'll be sure to show it you when it does. So yeah, I thought I'd just show you a few other bits that I've had come in. I don't think I've got a lot of outstanding orders now, to be honest. I have got a couple of things that are due, but they're taking their sweet time, so we'll see how long they take. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.